Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
What's up, guys? I'm at my dad's house. He's gonna give us a little tour. Let's go in.
Hey,
Hey, how are you doing?
Hey, come on, Harlem.
Harlem.
Come on. Welcome to the Watsons.
Okay, I heard you got a new house.
Yes.
We ready to see what's inside?
Yes.
Okay.
We've been here about a year. So you can see this is our foyer area.
Ooh.
Right here. Living room.
This is a good area. You can't sit here.
Yeah, this is just for show.
For show.
Yes, yes. Christmas tree over here. Then we have our dining room over here.
This for show too, but the party, you know, we use the good dining area.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes. So we can go upstairs first. Come on.
Okay.
So I'm gonna pop the chandelier.
Ooh.
So you could get it.
Okay, nice chandelier up here.
We have a bedroom here, bathroom. This is a
Workout room.
Yeah, workout room.
Ooh.
Our gym.
Okay, so if you ever need to work out, got the room for you.
Yes, yes, yes.
This walkway,
Walkway.
you can look over to the main living room area, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes, yes. So, laundry room. It's Harlem's room.
Harlem's room for now.
For now. Yes, yes. We got a guest bedroom here.
This is where I'm staying, in the
Yes.
guest bedroom.
Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is the master.
The master, which is huge. Recently installed this fireplace, living room area, like it's huge.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
So, get that. Come on, Harlem.
Harlem following Grandpa.
Yep.
And then it's these other steps that goes down to this side.
Yes.
Got a little,
Butler's pantry.
okay.
Keep some little wine there. But this is the family room. Christmas
Family
tree.
room.
Still got Christmas gifts.
Where Christmas was.
Yes. So you can see that. This is the morning room area.
Okay.
The area. Of course, the kitchen.
Did you help pick out this teal color
No.
scheme? No, that was all wifey.
Yep, all white.
All wifey with the teal color scheme.
Yes, that's what she likes.
Okay. Ooh, love the kitchen. This huge island.
Lights on for you.
Ooh. When I first saw this house, this is the part I was like, oh my God, it's so big.
Yeah.
So this is where all the cooking happens. My dad can kind of cook, that I'm finding out that he can, you know, do a little bit of something.
So this leads into the garage area.
Garage.
Of course, we have another powder room right here.
Guest bathroom.
Yep, yep. So,
You know, we like looking in people's fridges. Fridge fully stocked.
let you look at my refrigerator. All right. So
Oh, it's a computer area, a little desk, you know, right in the family room.
yeah.
Okay.
So did you need to see on the outside of the house or just looking out to the back patio or no?
I never even looked.
Here, so
Okay.
it's a patio.
There's a whole back patio right here for cooking out.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Patio. And then, so when we bought the house, it was just the first and second floor. The basement was unfinished, so everything you see in the basement is custom. We got a contractor and we designed it, so everything that you see downstairs, we designed.
Ooh. Okay, this is where the hidden magic is down here. Even the lights y'all put in?
Yes, lights on the side put in. It's another room here.
Oh, okay.
So this is our theater room. Well, this is my cave. This is where
This is your
where I hang
jizz.
out.
Okay.
So I wanted red doors.
Look
like
at
going
these
into a
handles.
Movie theater. So these are a movie reel right there for handles that go in.
Is this your favorite movie?
One of my favorite movies.
Okay.
So, Nights is one of my favorites. So, go in there. You come in, see. This is kind of like a little nook area where you can I sometimes lay up here and watch TV. It's a real relaxing area over here. Over here is pretty much the theater room. No TV, I got a projector. It projects on the wall right there. Still gonna get theater chairs.
Okay.
This is what I have for right now. This is.
But you want actual theater chairs. Oh, this is not bad.
Yeah, so it's one step at a time. Everything goes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so got a little concession area here. Got some snacks and.
Okay, the whole
microwave,
hookup. What y'all want to eat for our movie tonight? Got the everything.
Popcorn,
movies on deck.
Yep,
Okay,
yep.
whatever movie you want to watch.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the Black Panther.
Yep.
Framed.
Yep.
Ooh.
Untouchables is one of another favorite movie of mine. I'm a big Star Wars fan, so I love Star Wars.
Okay. I didn't even know what that was.
Yeah, that's Boba Fett.
Oh.
Star Wars, and so that's my Star Wars fan.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then he got this for Christmas. You
Yeah.
can pull out if you want to eat, somewhere to eat on. So got that.
Got that. So come out here to another little sitting area. With
Another
a
little
TV.
family room.
Yeah. All good. So.
Okay, so wherever you want to be, got one upstairs.
Yeah, so we this was a wall that we had cut out into this, so when you come down the steps, it kind of opens it up.
Yeah.
The designs of the archways were
Archway.
just make them all uniform, kind of when you look around, it's kind of that shape.
The archway.
Y'all can see it.
Y'all just love the TVs, okay?
It's kind of give you the sports bar feel. They have like a little area right here where you can sit around here. People can sit and eat, have a drink, whatever. Of course, the bar area is my baby. I designed it. I wanted it a certain way, certain look. So this is what I like.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Okay, the bar, full-on bar,
Yep.
ready to entertain.
Yep. Dishwasher. Got I smoke cigars, so I got a humidor for my cigars.
Ooh. What does that do?
It keeps your cigars fresh.
Oh.
So, when you buy cigars got to be kept at a certain temperature. So you put them in there and keeps them fresh.
Okay.
So, refrigerator,
Yeah.
pretty much it. And we have bathroom here.
Oh, another little guest bathroom.
Bathroom, like with a shower. So,
Okay. Another little guest
So,
bathroom. I've never been in here before.
yeah. So that was
Okay.
custom done too.
Yeah.
So,
I love this little man cave bar, sports bar entertainment.
yeah. So that is pretty much the Watson household.
Oh. Harlem following Grandpa up.
So thank you guys for coming into our house. Hard work. This was a blessing from God because we come from the bottom. We're really good. It's just hard work that we do. So this was a gift from God. Thank you. gotta go home, but you gotta get out of here.
All right.
And having a good time. Doesn't